Welcome to Welder Online Class, Week 23. Inspection and Testing. Types of tests: non destructive test, destructive test, semi destructive test. Types of non destructive tests: visual inspection, liquid penetration test, ultrasonic test, magnetic particle test, and radiographic test. Visual inspection. The simplest and the most important entity technique. Weld is observed using hand tools and gauges to identify external weld defects. The method of inspection needs a magnifying glass, a rule, tri-square, and weld gauges. Liquid penetration test. It is applicable to almost all materials except porous materials. Liquid dyes are used to detect surface and open surface discontinuities. Principles of this test is based on capillary action. Steps for the liquid penetration test. A solution of the colored dye is sprayed on the clean welded joint and allowed to soak. The dye is washed off using a cleaner and the surface is dried with a soft cloth. A liquid developer is then sprayed on the weld. Dye comes out in the shape of surface defects. Magnetic particle test. This test is used to detect surface defects and subsurface defects in ferrous material. In this technique, magnetic lines of force run through the job known as flux density. Any discontinuity is perpendicular to the flux lines that disturb the flux density and causes flux leakage. Radiographic test. In this test, internal photographs of the welds are taken. If there is any hidden defect, it will be seen in the film after developing it. Below the X-ray film, a lead sheet is kept to arrest the flow of X-ray. Gamma ray test. The short invisible rays are known as gamma rays. These rays penetrate greater thickness of steel as compared to X-rays. These tests are used on high quality jobs like high pressure vessels. This test can be done at places where electricity is not available. Ultrasonic tests. Sound waves of high frequency are used in the test. The sound waves can penetrate from a very small thickness of plate from 6 to 10 meters of steel. Thus, this test is used for flaw detection, thickness measurements, and discontinuities in the weldment. The echo of the sound waves is directly shown on the calibrated screen attached with the ultrasonic testing unit. We have now reached the end of week 23rd.